Green life forever. Touch and glow. Copper brass cleaner and shiner. Unboxing the goodness. We are making it from our concentrate. In the box, you will find a user manual, one infinity use PET bottle, 2 spouts of our hyper concentrates in the spouts, and a trigger pump. Now let's start making a regular copper brass cleaner. You need a funnel, cloth, 300 ml RO water. Now pour the concentrate into the bottle and add RO water. Tighten the pump. Tilt the bottle once and now it's ready to use. Let's start using copper shiner. We have taken a lusterless copper glass with lots of layers of tarnish and scaling. You can take brass or bronze items also. Just open the child lock of the spray bottle and now you can observe the streak of shine and the elegance of our proprietary pH80 technology. Now spray it evenly onto the surface of the metal. Rub or scrub your item wherever you find it necessary. Rinse it once. Now always use a dishwashing liquid onto the surface to maintain the shine for a long period of time. Rub it and rinse it once again. It will retain the shine for a long period of time. Look, it's glowing. Surprised, aren't you? Now you can see the difference. Dull copper to a shining copper. What more you like to have? Of course, the true plant-based goodness and perfection without toxins. Green life forever packs great values from generation today to the generations ahead. Green life forever. Touch and glow. Copper brass cleaner and shiner. It's suitable for copper, brass, bronze and other copper alloys. So let's have a try.